Most Dell computers come with basic McAfee antivirus pre-installed, but there are other things you can do to help keep your PC and other devices protected from online threats. Let's start with a few simple practices that are commonly overlooked. A strong Wi-Fi password makes it harder for others to hack. Creating complex passwords using a random sequence of letters, numbers, and special characters mixed with upper and lowercase provide better security. Use secure websites and check the site's security status. Avoid clicking on links from emails that you are unsure of who the sender is, and beware of downloads from untrustworthy sites. Keep your private stuff private. Be very careful with whom you share your email address and phone number, not to mention bank account or credit card info, and of course your social security number. Be leery of random individuals and unsolicited offers requesting this type of information. Whenever submitting a credit card number or other highly sensitive personal information, verify your internet connection is secure beforehand. You may even want to consider creating a different email address and separate phone number dedicated to online use only. Maintaining all your devices and software is easy to do, and it helps increase your level of security. Keep all devices connected to your internet up to date. For Windows devices, check Windows Update and also keep your antivirus current. For smartphones, check for updates and settings according to your smartphone model. Turn on Windows Security Real-Time Protection and enable your firewall. Go into Settings, click on Update and Security, select Windows Security, then Virus and Threat Protection. In the next window, go into the settings here. Under Security Providers, click on Manage Providers. For real-time protection, expand Windows Defender Antivirus and open the app. Now click on Manage Settings and turn on Real-Time Protection. Next, expand the Windows Firewall and open it. Check all your networks and turn on any firewalls as necessary. If your device is connected to a network policy settings might prevent you from completing these steps. For more information about this, it's best to contact your administrator. Whenever you need help or have questions, contact us on Facebook or Twitter. You can also chat with other Dell users on the Dell Community Forum. There are many other helpful tips and tutorials on this channel, so become a subscriber today. If you like this video, give it a like, and thanks for watching.